Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your oil in a Toyota Corolla. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench for the drain plug and oil filter, a new oil filter, a drain pan, and about 4 to 5 quarts of the correct engine oil. Don't forget a new crush washer for the drain plug to prevent leaks. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Next, safely lift your Corolla using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Place your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the old oil to flow completely into the pan. This step can take several minutes. Once the old oil has drained, replace the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it securely. Now, locate and remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, add the recommended 4 to 5 quarts of new engine oil. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the fresh oil. Turn off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Then, check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct, adding more if needed. Also, carefully inspect around the drain plug and oil filter for any signs of leaks. For more great deals and the link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below. Proper maintenance keeps your Corolla running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.